Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to restart your Samsung TV. So I don't see an actual restart option. I can just hold down this power button in the top right. That'll turn off my TV. I can turn it back on. Now obviously you can go to your TV too, and you can unplug it from the wall and then plug it back in. But if you look at the bottom right of your TV, if you don't want to unplug it because there's a lot of cables and stuff in the back, if you see like a little light, it'll shine down where it'll say Samsung in the bottom right. You can just press this and you'll see this menu pop up. And then press this button one more time. You can go to power off, then hold down this button. It will power off the TV. Then you can press the button again. It'll turn on the TV, just like that. So you can use that little screen right here with this button to navigate through your different TV. Now it's a pain in the butt for sure, but you should be able to get it up and then go to your like channel or wherever. But that's how you can restart it if you lose the remote or something like that for some reason. Otherwise, you should be able to get the Smart Things app on your cell phone, and you can restart it and stuff through there too. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.